Hey everyone, so today I would like to share very important tool. This is basically available on the immigration website for express entry. If you're not sure how much is your score, then the simple answer is go to this website. I will share a link in this video as well, and then you can click on that one, and then by answering simple questions you can find out how much would be your score in the end. So let me show you how it works. Thank you. Hey, as you can see on this screen, this is comprehensive ranking system CRS tool that you can use. The first question is what is your marital status? So select the status. If you are married, select married. If you are not, then you can just select as single. So I'm going to select this as married. Is your spouse or common law partner a citizen or PR, permanent resident of Canada? You can answer this accordingly. And then the next question is, will your spouse or common law partner come with you to Canada? If the partner is coming with you, select yes, otherwise says no. And then it will ask how old are you. So based on your age, you can select your age. And then what is your level of education? So you need to select your highest completed education that you have done. And then you also need to have that education assessed, and it calls educational credential assessment if you are not a Canadian degree or diploma holder. For foreign nationals, you need to assess your credentials. So let's select one of the credentials, and then it is asking now on the next question, have you earned a Canadian degree, a diploma or certificate? If yes, then select yes. If no, then say no. And then the next is very important question, official language. So it will ask whether you have the Canada's official language. Um, there are two basically languages against which they ask. One is English, the other one is French. So let's select this as yes for, and select this is for the English. I'll go with IELTS. And then you can select the band of each module. So let's say we say 7, listing is 7.5, reading is 7, and then writing is 7 as well. And then if you have any other language like French, then you can select and add the score. If it is not, then you can simply say not applicable. The next question number 6 is related to work experience. So it is asking in the last 10 years, how many years of skilled work experience in Canada do you have? So it's very important question, because first you need to check against which tier your job category is. It's a tier 0, 1, 2 or 3. Okay, so you need to check uh, how many of experience you have. So let's select 3 years of experience in last 10 years. And then they are asking that how much is okay. So the previous question was related to Canada's experience. So if you have not worked in Canada, then select none. The next question is related to the foreign experience. So you can select the number of experience of your education of your work experience. And then they are asking that do you have a certificate of qualification from a Canadian province, territory or federal body? So select yes or no. I would say no here at this point of time. And then the next is additional points. So if you have a valid job offer supported by LMIA, then you can select yes, and then you need to provide the details of the employer and LMIA. But if you don't have any job offer from Canada, then you can select no. And then it is asking if you have any nomination from a province or territory. So remember, if you have a nomination, you could get like the 600 points. So at this point of time, let's select as no. And then it is asking that do you or your spouse or common law partner, if they will come with you to Canada, have at least one brother or sister living in Canada who is a citizen or permanent resident. Okay, so let's select as no for this. And then it is asking that what is the highest level of education for your spouse or uh, common law partners. So let's select masters here. And then if your spouse has any work experience, then you need to tell. If it is not, then you can simply answer as no. And then if your spouse or common law partner has taken any language test, then you can select the test. If it is not, then you can simply say not applicable. And then once you answer all these questions, you see that there's a next button is calculate your score. So you need to click on this, and now it is giving you the result. So it says that out of 1200, based on the four parts of comprehensive ranking system formula, the score that we got is 305 based on the answers that we have provided, right? And then it will also give you the summary and detail of the points, and how many points you got for your age, level of education, the official language. So this is combination of English and French. And then if you have any work Canadian work experience, you will get the points for that as well. And if you have any job offer, then again you will get some additional points, and it is around 50 points that you can get if you have Canada's work experience, right? And yeah, you can check all the details, because this will be uh, like different score for each individual. So it depends on your profile and historical information. So the total points that we got after all the questions is 365. So you can see the uh, total CRS score here. So I hope uh, this video helps you to see that how you can calculate the score by using the immigration website portal. Thank you.